Han. Say hi. Hi. Box. See you, Hen. We are here. Oh, naramong sponsor. Sponsored by Tita. We are here at a Vietnamese restaurant. So this is a Vietnamese restaurant. And we're here to eat Vietnamese food. Musta man ang sa may masultin mo sa kaninga restaurant, Vietnamese restaurant, Langga?
This restaurant is probably one of the best restaurants I have ever gone to. I would probably give it a 4.5 if I had to review it.
4.5?
Yeah.
What's your favorite dish that you tried?
It was probably the soup.
Soup? What kind of soup?
I forgot the name, but it's nice.
Okay. So, if you want to try Vietnamese cuisine, try Po Peter. Po Peter?
I am a good.
Kennedy side. Queens and Kennedy. Thank you. See you.